Hey, stop right here. Let me know if this sounds relatable. You're scrolling. Scroll, scroll, scroll. Another post, another ad, ignored. It's the same thing day after day, right? But imagine if your post could be the one that stops the scroll. What if you could instantly turn any content, a tweet, an image, a blog post, into a scroll-stopping video that demands attention? What if that video could go viral on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, all optimized automatically to make you stand out? And imagine doing that in 3 clicks, without needing to be a video editing genius and without the expense of hiring an agency. Now you can, with Clipsmate AI, the world's first AI-powered video creation tool that transforms your text, images, chats, and tweets into platform-optimized, engaging videos that get noticed. No more guessing, no more wasting time. Just the perfect video, ready to publish. Here's the hard truth. Social media is flooded. Everyone's fighting for attention. And let's face it, unless your content pops, it gets buried. You know it's true. Likes, shares, comments, all that engagement, it feels impossible to get, right? It's not your fault. You're simply missing the right tool. The one that works automatically to turn your content into eye-catching, scroll-stopping videos. The one that takes the guesswork out of it, and the one that delivers real results. Clipsmate AI is the solution. With its powerful AI technology, you can take any piece of content and turn it into a dynamic video in minutes. Let me show you how. Text to video. Take your blogs, scripts, or even social media posts and transform them into engaging, animated videos. Image to video. Got a photo? Turn it into a dynamic video in seconds, with effects, music, and transitions. Chat to video. Convert conversations, chats, or support threads into story-driven videos that captivate your audience. Tweet to video. Make your Twitter moments go viral by turning your tweets into visually compelling videos that get shared. And that's just the beginning. What else? One-click platform optimization. Your videos are automatically sized for Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. Scroll-stopping 3D templates that grab attention in just seconds. Built-in captioning, subtitles, and voiceovers, so you can reach every viewer, no matter where they are or what device they use. Over 100 industry-specific templates, from e-commerce to health to food to lifestyle, ensuring your content always fits the bill. Want more? We've got it. Background selector. Choose from videos, images, or GIFs to set the perfect mood for your video. Built-in image cropper and media resizer, so you never have to worry about fitting your content to any platform. 1,000+ royalty-free tracks and unlimited sound effects to make your videos sound as good as they look. So, why Clipsmate AI? You could spend hours making videos in complex software. You could hire expensive video editors. You could guess your way through social media marketing. But none of that guarantees success. Here's the truth. You need the right tool to stand out, to create videos that engage and convert. Clipsmate AI is the only platform that combines speed, quality, and automation, so you can focus on growing your business instead of wasting time on video editing. Let's talk results. Real results. Business owners and marketers have increased engagement by 50% in just 1 week. Creators are boosting their followers with shareable videos that get shared thousands of times. And the best part? It's all happening automatically. You don't need to touch a thing after you press generate. Let the AI do the heavy lifting. Here's the best part. Right now, for a limited time, you can get full access to Clipsmate AI for just a small one-time fee. That's it. You get everything. Lifetime access, no monthly fees, commercial license included. Yes, you can create videos for clients and keep 100% of the profit. It's time to stop getting ignored and start standing out. Clipsmate AI is your shortcut to going viral, driving sales, and scaling your business. So, what's it going to be? You can keep doing what you've been doing and watch your content get buried under everyone else's. Or you can take action, unlock Clipsmate AI, and finally get the engagement, leads, and sales you deserve. Click the link below, grab your lifetime license, and start creating pro-quality videos that actually make an impact today. Remember, this offer won't last forever. Once it's gone, you'll have to pay the full price. No exceptions. Click below to get started and watch your content explode with engagement and sales. The time to act is now. If you're serious about standing out on social media and making videos that actually convert, Clipsmate AI is your secret weapon. Don't miss your chance to grab it. Click the button, take action, and I'll see you inside.